Hi, welcome back here. This is your channel. For leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. So you guys can tell it's gonna be a bad news for Ethereum at this moment. So you guys can tell before the March we've been expected for a very long time. People actually was expecting the price of Ethereum to actually go up. Okay, you guys can tell I was hoping the price of Ethereum will actually go up. Let me zoom in a little bit quick so you guys can actually see. Everyone think Ethereum is gonna go to like $2,000 or $3,000 when after the March. Okay, people were hoping for the biggest return of Ethereum, but in the past, I think it was March like September 20 so far. It's been a major sank. Okay, a major dip in the market for Ethereum. Okay, and I think it's about to drop to 1,000. I'm about to explain why Ethereum is about to drop to 1,000. People have not realized that the people that have a lot amount of holders, like those people that have a lot of Ethereum in the wallets, or miners, okay, they have a lot. So you guys can tell JP Morgan's actually have a little bit of concern about it, that the switch from POW to POS has actually caused a lot of problems in the Ethereum community itself. Okay, you guys can tell you guys see as soon as the March came out, the price dip. Okay, the price dip because there's a lot of backlash towards it. Okay, they're trying to get those people that actually buy a lot of miners have to basically sell it or do everything else because they can't use it because the blockchain has actually stopped. Okay, so you guys can tell it actually split the network into very various way that most people have not expected it to be. People think that this new update is actually going to help, but in reality it just turned out to be a bad thing for Ethereum. Okay, you guys can tell they figure out that the miners after the March actually dump over 16,000 ETH, okay, which is more than 20 million in just 1 week. Okay, that's the largest. That's people like that's only 16,000. So this speculation is probably around 245,000 to 300,000 people like miners that actually own that much of ETH. Okay, so if most of them decide to sell, which is actually showing a lot of signal that it's about to be a major sell off, that people should actually brace themselves. Okay, this one is not actually helping. So miners dumped 16,000 ETH worth more than 20 million in the past week. Ethereum miners still have about 245,000, which is around over, if I do a calculation of it, is over 300 million. Okay, that's almost half a billion. Okay, half $1 billion. Okay, almost that's almost a quarter of 300 million. That's a lot. Okay, if all decided to sell, that would actually crash, and we're going to allow people to sell. It's going to be a major sell-off, okay? And I think the sell-offs are going to start probably by Monday. That's my opinion about it. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think by Monday, Ethereum is about to sink to like 1,000. I predict that, okay? This is my prediction. It's going to sink to 1,000 because there's a lot of backlash. There's actually been a lot of speculation coming out. Even JP Morgan, the bankers, have been like, yo, something's bad's about to happen to this coin, and people haven't actually wake up yet that it's gonna cause a lot of stuff. Okay, you guys can tell in the past years and month they be actually talking about, oh, it's gonna be a major shift, more energy efficient. But when the update actually came out, there's not much of energy efficiency. Okay, it didn't actually stop because you actually need a computer and you still need 32 ETH. Okay, 32 ETH is around like 39,000 at the price of Ethereum at this moment. Okay, so people see after the market, crypto analysts are warning that the miners sales for their holders could become the source of the near-term downward. You guys can tell cryptocurrency is actually down at this moment. It's majorly down, and if this held, it's gonna be a bad crypto winner for everybody. Okay, these people actually invest in the house. They're basically child education into this stuff, hoping it's gonna go up. It's gonna be bad. Okay, and you guys can tell Bitcoin have actually dropped less than like way more than that. Okay, so in the past that it's gonna be it's nearly 351 million. That's just estimate. It's just an estimation of how many Ethereum they think that those miners actually have. That's just an estimation. There might be more than that. Okay, and then you guys can tell when a sell-off start, guess what's gonna happen? It's a domino effect. I tell people there's gonna be a domino effect where people gonna sell and it's gonna be a major sell-off. It's not gonna be one person. Everybody gonna start selling. Okay, it's just a little bit. It's a domino effect on crypto. One person starts selling, everybody gonna sell. That's what I've been seeing. Mine is dumping. Okay, you guys can tell this is the biggest backstabbing stuff. They actually help in the process of actually saying that they don't want to help the community. Technically not. They want to get rid of inflation. Okay, inflation meaning because if you got those miners were mining, because those miners, it takes a lot of money for you to actually mine Ethereum. Okay, so it's not like low people don't mine it. Okay, those people actually are mining, actually opening warehouses that using you know what I mean, solar panels and windmill. Okay, to actually power the rig. Okay, you guys can tell. So they actually trying to save money to electricity. So there's no way they're gonna use electricity. It's gonna cost more. The opposite is not gonna be that much. Okay. So there's a lot of is money that come as a profit, or they need to pay the electric fee. No, like let's be like solar panel. There will be incentive to sell a profit, especially expected to naturally increase volatility. Director of Blanche. This is basically research coming out for the first time. These miners have no future business with Ethereum anymore. So these people that actually mine be like, it's time for us to get out. Okay, when they probably gonna leave a lot. Okay, the price. Trust me, this is just the starting. Like, there's a lot of people trying to actually help the price, but there's gonna be a lot of people going to short this position. Like I say, you know the volume. I mean, there's not much people buying it. The volume right now is at. Let me zoom in so you guys can actually see. The volume is at 16. It dropped 16% down. Okay, I mean, there's people stop buying it. Okay, that's how much actually it drops. It drops a lot. Okay, most people haven't actually realizing in real reality, it's actually dropped a lot. I think it about to drop way more. Don't worry, won't worry. Okay. You guys can tell it's been Ethereum. It's been bad news since it actually came out. They trying to find a way how to like do that, but I think it was the baddest thing Ethereum actually ever done. Okay, it's possible that mining move away contributed to weakness. Maybe some miners will turn to spectator and hold for better. So most people actually who mine have the coins for mining actually gonna see what's gonna happen in the few past week. Okay, most of them gonna see what's gonna happen. What's gonna see like, should I sell or should I wait? That's what's gonna happen. Okay, if I go on Ethereum right now, ETH, it's gonna be a bad news. Okay, okay, so Ethereum March is over now. It's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be. They saw the March. Now the Ethereum, it didn't do anything in reality. I'm just being honest. Like, all this Ethereum did not do anything. It did not. I don't know what you guys can comment down below, but this did not do anything towards the margin. He didn't provide any faster. You know how they promise all those things. He didn't make it faster at all. It was just the same. It was just the same. So, like I say, let's see what's gonna happen. But I think it'll be a major sell-off by next week. People are hanging off right now to see what's gonna happen, but you guys can tell it's gonna be a major sell-off. There's people trying to buy it, trying to see if they can get people to. People buying right now a little bit, but it's gonna be a major sell-off. Those people that all Ethereum has a lot right now. So I hope you guys see you guys later and peace out. Have a nice day.